Go ahead.
All right, which one of these do you think has more sugar in it?
So just show that to the camera.
So we have chocolate milk compared to orange juice by Tropicana.
So I would assume chocolate milk would have more sugar just by looking at it. I would assume chocolate milk.
Yeah, that's what most people say, but this one actually, so it actually does. So this one has 26 grams of sugar compared to this orange juice, which only has 22. Now, the only real difference that I say, I mean, the added sugars on this one is 0, but total sugars is 22. The added sugars to this one is actually 15 grams, total sugars 26. So the only thing that I really say is a big difference that a lot of people don't realize with this is that some people think this is actually going to be better for you, like in the sense of, oh, since it has less sugar, it's going to be better. The only thing that changes with chocolate milk is actually the glycemic rate of how fast it is absorbed into your bloodstream. So the reason that really changes is because of the fat content in milk compared to orange juice.
So my blood, I would absorb chocolate milk sugar content faster than orange juice?
Slower. So this would actually be slower than this. So since there is 8 grams of fat per serving in this, that will slow down how fast that sugar is absorbed into your bloodstream. This is going to go straight through compared to this, which has something to slow it down. So you have to sometimes look at other things rather than just looking at, you know, maybe it's just sugar. Now, if it had pulp in it, it'll be a little bit different because that's fiber, but since it has some pulp, not a lot at all though compared to...
So is Tropicana overrated? It's not as healthy for you as people think?
Probably not. There's good benefits in the sense of, you know,
would it be better just to eat a regular orange?
100%, because they'll slow it down due to the fiber. And I mean, obviously, like I said, there aren't any added sugars to this, but whenever something is liquefied like this compared to being in the actual fruit itself, it changes how fast it is absorbed into your bloodstream. So
beautiful.